Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D logo animation like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I used 3D element plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, and then hit OK. Go to text and type your text. I'll type add texture, then I'll go to align to put this texture into the middle, then I'll go to add texture and press S to increase it like this. Okay, then I'll go to layer and I'll add a new solid, go to effect, video Copilot and element, then I'll go to custom layers, custom text and masks, and path 1 layer or path layer 1. Then I'll go to none, set none to add texture. Then I'll close add texture. Okay. Now I'll go to setup and extrude and see. This is our texture. Okay, so now I'll go to bevel cops and I'll change it to 2 because I need 2 bevels. Go to bevel 1, extrude this bevel to 3, and size I'll change it to 1.50. Bevel 2, I'll go to extrude and I'll change it to 4 and see. Okay, now I'll go to presets and I'll go to material, choose your material, and I'll go to gold, put gold into bevel 1, and the second one I'll choose chrome. Okay, then I'll go to rotation and I'll rotate my text like this. Okay, now I'll go to create and I'll create a new plane. Then I'll go to size, scale, and I'll scale it to 2000. Let me see this. Okay, go to extrude model and position Y and I'll bring it up something like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now I'll go to plane mode and default because I want to add a texture, and I'll leave this texture into that is. And I'll leave this texture into the description. I'll go here, diffuse, blue texture. Okay, this is our texture. I'll choose this one. Then I'll go to glossiness and also I'll choose this one. Then normal bump and I'll choose this one. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to plane mode. Then I'll go to UV mapping and UV repeat. I'll change it to 5. Also here I'll change it to 5 like this. Okay, now I'll go to texture and I'll add reflectivity. I'll increase it to maybe 65. Then I'll go to evolution, basic, and I'll choose this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think it's look good for me. Okay. So now press OK and see. I'll go to layer and I'll add a new camera. Also go to layer and I'll add a new null object, make null object 3D, and I'll parent camera with null object. Then I'll go to camera and I'll go to orbit camera tool to move my texture like this. Then press S to choose track Z and click your mouse. Press C again to go to track XY like this. Okay. Press C. Yeah. Okay. So now I'll go to null object, open transform, and I'll keyframe on position, also scale and orientation. Okay. Then I'll go to 9 seconds forward, go to position, position X, and I'll move it like this. Okay, something like this. Now I'll go to orientation, orientation Y, and I'll decrease it something like this. Then again, I'll go to position. Okay. Yeah, position Z and something like this. And I'll go to scale and decrease scale also. So let me see this animation. Yeah. Okay, now I'll select all keyframe and I'll press F9 to make it easy. Also, if you want, go to your solid and I'll add effect color correction and I'll go to curves to add curve RGB, something like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.